Good evening to you all. Now it has been declared ceasefire between Israel and Iran, but it is said that there has been a, a chance of violation of ceasefire between Israel and Iran, because after that ceasefire, which is announced by the current American President Donald Trump on his app Truth Social, but after even that, the Iranian missiles were hit on Israel, and we are not going to talk about that. This video is made for the Strait of Hormuz. That Strait of Hormuz were nearly for this war has happened for nearly 12 days, and the Strait of Hormuz were always be in the news for this 12 days. So why this? This is in the news. So first, let's look at Strait of Hormuz lies between Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman, and it is a choke point between. It is a choke point, you can say, because if Iran closes it, if Iran blockade it, then there will be a 20 to 30% of oil disruption in the world. And there are several Middle East countries which exports oil from this route, like Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Qatar, Kuwait, UAE. So these are the countries who will suffer the most. While there is a news came on yesterday that the Parliament of Iran has voted on the favor of to blockade the Strait of Hormuz, but it is not only disrupt the oil market of world, because if it disrupts, if there is a blockade on the side of Strait of Hormuz, then there will be a skyrocket of the prices of oil, and it only not skyrocket the prices of oil, but it also increase. It also disrupts, or perhaps there is a collapse of economy in Iran, because China imports 90% of its oil from Iran, and Iran exports this oil from this same Strait of Hormuz. So there will be a big blow for Iran if Iran choke Strait of Hormuz by itself, because nobody is going to be there to choke it. And why it is said that Iran will blockade the Strait of Hormuz? The first reason is quite simple. That on the very Sunday morning, USA has attacked on with B-2 bombers on the three nuclear facilities of Iran: Natanz, Isfahan, and Fordo. Uh, the after the aftermath of attack on Iran's these three nuclear facilities, Donald Trump said that this is complete and totally obliterated. But what's the fact is that there is no any complete obliteration. There had been damage, but it is very beneath low, very it is the Fordo or Natanz facility. These are made on mountain slide, so there will be very less chance to be complete obliteration, or perhaps some reports say that there is no any chance of complete obliteration, because it is made on very beneath of the land and in the mountains too, so it is not easy to obliterate it completely. And the second reason for closing the Strait of Hormuz that maybe Iran give is that Israel and the USA always threatens to regime change and also to kill the current supreme leader or Waliyat Faqih of Iran, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. There will be two reasons of it, and as now for today there is a ceasefire between Iran and Israel, but let's look what happens further. Thank you very much.